So if you're stuck on Stressing Me Street trying to figure out how to maximize your social media marketing for 2020, I got some tips that are guaranteed to help you. The first one is real simple. You need to invest in text message marketing, okay? Social media is one thing, but you want to be able to take these customers offline, and the best way to do that is through text message. So how? You do lead generation campaigns on social media where you get phone numbers, emails, names, and then you do your text message marketing. So that's tip number one. Tip number two that I wrote down: on your Instagram profile, you always want to have a button that people can get to you. So make sure you have an email or call me now in your Instagram bio. Okay, that one is real important because a lot of people aren't utilizing that real estate right there on Instagram. The next thing I can tell you that's going to work very well in 2020 are gifts. Now, I'm pretty sure you've seen GIFs before. If not, it's something you could Google, but GIFs is something huge for 2020 that you need to be optimizing and using for social media marketing. The next one, let me see here. The next one I could tell you, oh, now this is a smash and dash right here, WhatsApp. If you're not on WhatsApp or Slack right now, you need to be on there optimizing both of them for private messaging, all right? Now, obviously, it's already tough to stand out on social media, but Facebook owns WhatsApp. So it makes sense for you to start a strategy on WhatsApp because I guarantee you it will grow your business. So with these tips right here, you will be able to dominate social media marketing in 2020 in ways that your competitors probably aren't. If you need more details, if you need help with your social media marketing, I'm definitely here to help you out with that. My name is James from Iconic Genius, and you can reach out to me at james@iconicgenius.com. And we'll be able to help you. Please have a budget because truth of the matter is social media is a pay-to-play game. There are some tactics that you can use for free, like groups. Groups is a good one. So if you want to get into different Facebook groups that are in your niche that have customers, that's a great free tool. I understand that sometimes your business hasn't grown enough to pay someone or bring someone on, and so until you get to that point, you have to utilize some very creative strategies. So Facebook groups is a good free one. Google My Business is another really good one. You need to start using Google a lot more. YouTube, own that real estate on YouTube, man, for SEO purposes. A great free tool to utilize. But again, it's a pay-to-play environment. Don't be cheap. You got to spend money to make money. We all know this, so make it happen. My name is James. Reach out to me, leave a comment, share, like this video, pass it along to another entrepreneur or business owner that needs these tips as well for social media advertising dominance in 2020. I got you covered.